Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. We are here to chat about some new makeup releases. I'm going to share my thoughts. Are these products I'm interested in? I would like to grab and add them to my collection, or are they a little boring? I am uninterested and I am going to pass on them. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Kelly and I love all things makeup and beauty. I love talking. I love makeup. I love talking about makeup. So if you like to chat about makeup too, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of the K-Bella fam. But why don't we go ahead and jump into the video. I do have several new makeup items to talk about with you. One of them is by Nomad Cosmetics. It's the Paradise Islands palette. I'm sure you've seen a ton of videos floating around. It looks absolutely stunning, and I have to say, the looks that I've seen people create have made me like do a double take. This palette is so stunning. I love the packaging. I love the colors inside. You have 18 shades. 8 mattes, 8 shimmers, and 2 duochromes. I have not tried Nomad Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm not sure where I left off because my husband called me and then my daughter woke up, so we are all situated now. But basically the Nomad Cosmetics palette, it looks beautiful, but it's just not my color story. It's super vibrant. I love all of the details. I love the packaging. I love the texture inside each shadow, but realistically, for me and my taste, I know that I wouldn't get use out of this palette, so I passed on it. Beauty Blender is coming out with a new Bounce Magic Fit Creamy Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. So it's a matte bronzer. It looks like a cream bronzer. It's supposed to blur the skin, have a velvety texture, blend in seamlessly for natural dimension, and then it looks like you have, I can't tell if that's cream or powder. To me, it looks like the bronzer is cream, but that the highlighter is powder. But I guess the highlighter could potentially be cream as well. But either way, $32. It comes with a bronzer and highlighter duo. They have 4 shades. This is something that I definitely will be passing on. You know, I am trying to get into creams, but they're still not my absolute favorite. I haven't really tried, other than the Beauty Blender, I haven't tried any cosmetics from their brand. I think this is a great concept because like bronzer and highlighter, but at the same time, I might want one shade of the bronzer and a different shade of the highlighter, so this just isn't for me either. Next up, we have another lip oil. So this is the Irresistible Infused Care Oil. So it's supposed to hydrate and smooth the lips. It says that there is a different scent with each shade, and these are $55. So I have not tried anything from Hermes. The only shade that appeals to me here is Rose Koala, or Rose Cola. Rose Cola, I guess is how you would say that. But at the same time, I'm not really into lip oils. I know that that's the thing right now. I know people are into a lip oil. They're into the tint. I feel like people are into very like minimalistic, natural, glowy looks, which ultimately I do enjoy, but I find that I don't really like the products that help you get those looks. Like I'm not really into creams, and I'm not into lip oils, and I'm not into a $55 lip oil. So definitely passing on that one. However, a product I could see myself picking up is the new Tattoo Pencil Eyeliner by KVD Beauty. It's $22, 10 shades. Now really, the only eyeliner that I wear is black eyeliner, so I would get a black eyeliner and use this in the waterline, but the liquid version of the tattoo liner is like my absolute favorite. Like I absolutely love the liquid liner. I don't do liquid liner anymore, but that was my favorite when I was wearing liquid liner, so I would be interested in trying the Tattoo Pencil and using that to tightline because that's typically what I use an eye pencil for. And you know, I would like to see if this is just as creamy and black but also long lasting as the KVD liquid liner is. We have a new brand update. Hailey Bieber is coming out with a skincare brand, Rhode. I don't see any of the products yet. We just have this like shot of Hailey Bieber, but it does look like there's going to be like maybe a serum, a mask, a moisturizer, and it's supposed to range $30 and under. It says coming in June to their website. I'm not sure if it will be at Ulta or Sephora. You know, I'm always into skincare. I really love skincare. I'm not trying new skincare brands right now since I'm pregnant, but this is definitely something, if it is going to be $30 and under and be more affordable, that I might be interested in trying in the future. This product was a grab. and I already purchased it. It's the Nude Prism Collection by Lunar Beauty. So I got the eyeshadow palette for $48. I really wanted the blush palette also. That's $35. The lip oils, $18 each. Again, a lip oil is not for me. I only purchased the eyeshadow palette because this came right after the Sephora sale. I already purchased a bunch of makeup. I would like to try one of his blush palettes in the future. I don't know if I would get the Nude Prism one or the original. The original looks like they might be a little bit lighter, and since I have such a light complexion, that one might be better for me. But I do want to try his blushes in the future. I did, however, purchase the eyeshadow palette, and that should be coming to me soon. So as soon as that gets here, I will be doing a video letting you know my thoughts and sharing some looks with you. Another collection that's totally catching my eye, but I'm trying so hard to talk myself out of it. It's the Sigma Beauty New Mod Collection. The eyeshadow palette is $49, and I feel like every time I see someone using that palette, creating a look, those tones are like speaking to me right now. It's calling to me, I want it, but at the same time, I have the Vive Muse, I have the Natasha Denona Retro. Those give me the same vibes, like, is this different enough? I do know that I enjoy the Sigma formula. I have the Sigma Ambiance palette, but that's not like a palette that I use all the time. So it's like, I don't want to purchase this and then just have it sit in my collection, but it is still calling out to me all the time. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I do love Sigma brushes. I think the bag is super cute. I don't really care about the lip products, but the eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you picked that up or if you're thinking about picking that up, because everyone has been raving about it and I just keep hearing it call my name. Now there is something about the Tom Ford like highlighting duos that catch my eye every time I see them. So Tom Ford is coming out with their Summer Soleil. It's available at Nordstrom. Body oil, totally a pass. The lip product, totally a pass. It's called a lip blush, and it's like a lipstick balm. So it is clear with gold flecks in it, and then it's supposed to give you like a pink stain. No, I'm not going to spend $58 on that. However, there's something about those highlighting duos that catch my eye every time. So this one is supposed to be a duo for the cheeks, eyes, and face. It almost looks like maybe two blushes, or maybe like a blush and a highlight. Either way, I'm not going to spend $84 for it. It definitely is catching my eye. It looks stunning. I feel like Morgan Turner might have picked this up, and she said that like she didn't think it was worth the price, but she definitely was like into it and wanted to try it out. I don't know what it is. Like, I can't get over the price, so I'm not purchasing it, but something about it. I don't know if it's the packaging, I don't know if it's the detailing on the products or the product itself, but it just catches my eye. Okay, this also caught my eye by Dior Forever, the Natural Bronze Dior Riviera Bronzer. So this is limited edition. It's in warm bronze. It's $48, and it's like the Christian Dior detailing that caught my eye. If I didn't already have the Dior bronzer, I might have picked this up. Honestly, I don't need it because I already have their bronzer, and I don't need one with like this special embossing, but I wanted to try their products. I wanted to try their bronzer and highlighter. So I feel like if I hadn't done that, and then I saw this coming out, because I just think it looks so nice, I would be tempted to pick it up. I do enjoy their bronzer. It says it's in warm bronze, so I'm not quite sure if this is like a new shade of bronzer or they just like changed up the embossing on a current bronzer, but I do really enjoy their bronzer formula. I actually have it on today. I think this would be a grab if I didn't already have it. I can look at this immediately and know it's not for me. It's the new Color Block Obsessions palettes by Huda Beauty. We have a purple and orange, and then a blue and green. They are very vibrant, very fun. I'm sure there are tons of color lovers who are like so excited right now, but it's not my style. I really do like the 9 pans from Huda Beauty. I enjoy my Wild Obsessions palette that I have, the Wild Jaguar, and I think the swatches look beautiful. The purples, ooh, I'm like eating my hair. The purples look stunning, but I just wouldn't get any use out of this. Okay, I want to know what you guys think about this packaging. So it's limited edition packaging for the YSL Le Cushion Encore Depot packaging. It says that it's available now in Asia. It's special packaging for their cushion foundation, I'm guessing. But to me, like, maybe I'm just not fashion forward. I do not like the packaging at all. Like, nothing about the packaging catches my eye. I'm not really into cushion foundations anyway, so this product itself wouldn't have been something that caught my eye, but the packaging also I'm not a fan of. So let me know your thoughts on the packaging down below, but this is for sure a pass. I have seen some videos come out already testing out the new Cleona Cosmetics Dragon Fruit collection. I think this is so cute. I think the packaging is really fun and vibrant. I do have some Cleona shadows, I have to admit. I do enjoy them, but I find that I don't reach for them very often. So this is now a palette that's already put together, 13 shades, 6 different formulas, and it's gonna be $59.40 for US dollars. I will be passing. I will be passing on this. Like I said, I've heard so many like wonderful things about the Cleona shadows. I went and ordered like 5 of them, and every time I use them, I enjoy them, but I just don't reach for them often enough. And these are more colorful, more vibrant with the sparkles and the glitter. So it's stunning, but it's not for me. Wayne Goss has come out with a new complexion collection. It is the Luxury Cream Foundation. There are only 12 shades. Only 12. Full coverage, natural satin finish. It says weightless powder, so I don't know if there's a setting powder with it also. And then a smooth and set double-sided puff applicator. Okay, so those are the 3 products that he's releasing. I am not a fan of the 12 shades. I feel like I heard, I didn't watch his video or anything, but I feel like I heard that he was saying with his brand, he couldn't really come out with more shades than that. But I feel like if you're gonna do a foundation, like, do it right. Either come out with a better shade range or don't release it at all. I see you, my little Nutella face. So yeah, this is gonna be a pass for me. I don't see prices or anything. I have yet to try anything from the brand. There have been a few things that have caught my eye, but I haven't bit the bullet and purchased anything yet. This is another palette. I would be lying if I said it didn't catch my eye. It is the Artist Couture new Supreme Mauves palette, $45. It does say it's limited edition, 12 eyeshadows. Again, these colors are like speaking to me right now. I didn't purchase it right away, and I'm glad that I waited. I definitely considered it. This and the Sigma palette have been like screaming to me, but after seeing reviews, people do not have the best things to say about this eyeshadow palette, so I know that it needs to be a pass for me. It looks stunning, but from what I've seen, people aren't getting the performance that they expect. So this will definitely be a pass for me. But if you've tried it out, let us know down below your thoughts. I thought this was interesting. Do you guys remember, like, years ago, OG YouTube, everybody loved the butter glosses, the NYX butter glosses. People had like full range collections. They were like showing you all of the butter glosses. I loved the tiramisu shade. Well, now they have a clear. They have a clear gloss. Again, it's still $5. The Sugar Glass. I am not huge into lip glosses, but if I were to need a clear lip gloss, I definitely am a fan of the Butter Gloss formula. If I wanted a clear gloss, I definitely could see myself picking up the NYX Butter Gloss formula because I am a fan of it, but I just don't need that in my collection, so for now, it's a pass. So this collection is definitely speaking to me. It's the new Dose of Colors Truffle collection. They have an eyeshadow palette, a lip set, and a blush. And just looking at this reel here, like the eyeshadow palette, again, it's that color story. It is that color story. It is speaking to me. I haven't tried anything from Dose of Colors lately, so I could definitely see this being a grab, and I would love to try out their formula again to see what it looks like. I would be interested in possibly the blush as well. I do really like their liquid lipsticks. I could pass on the gloss, but I could see myself getting the eyeshadow palette, the blush, and the liquid lipstick. It's definitely catching my eye. I don't see a price, but I will be eyeing this for sure. And then the last collection that I wanted to share with you is a part 2 Winnie the Pooh and Colourpop. It looks super cute. There's a sweet as can be eyeshadow palette, super shock cheeks, a gloss trio, a a PR box, you can get the full collection. And honestly, the first round, I definitely was like, no, not into it, passing on it for sure. But this eyeshadow palette looks so cute. I still think this will probably be a pass, but I really like the colors in the eyeshadow palette. I think they look super nice. I do enjoy the Colourpop formula, and it is more affordable. I would pass on all of the other stuff, the lip products and the Super Shock cheeks, but the eyeshadow palette definitely sparked my interest. We are going to go ahead and end the video here. I need to go fix my daughter a snack because she is getting hungry, but I would love to know your thoughts on these new makeup releases down below. Has anything caught your eye? Are you interested? Are you passing on it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you go. That way I can see you in the next one.